Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to access cPanel MySQL database. So at first go to cPanel and scroll down. Here you will find MySQL databases. Click on it. Okay, scroll down. Here you can see the all databases. If you want, you can delete the users, rename the database name, and also remove the database. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.